Hi guys, I hope you're doing okay, and today I'm going to talk a little bit about clinical engineering and why I want to become a clinical engineer when I graduate from school. My name is Andres Lopez and let's begin. First of all, I want to mention some tasks a clinical engineer has. Clinical engineers work primarily in hospitals, so my main focus today will be in hospitals. The first task a biomedical engineer specialized in clinical engineer is maintenance. Clinical engineers are responsible of giving maintenance to every medical equipment that are involved in medical procedures. The second task is the correct use of resources. The common thought of a clinical engineering is the technician, someone that is always fixing, repairing with the toolbox here and there, but this is not the entire picture. Clinical engineers also have administration tasks. They are responsible of the correct management of resources. The third task a biomedical engineer specialized in clinical engineer has is to teach medical professionals. They teach the proper use of every medical equipment. They can teach doctors, nurses, physicians, and they also teach the technicians how to repair the medical equipment. The second matter is importance. Why clinical engineering is so important? Well, clinical engineering has been ignored for several years. Here in Mexico, there is something called NOM, Norma Oficial Mexicana. And clinical engineering, biomedical engineering is not very regulated, but there must be at least one department of biomedical engineering per hospital. And the sad reality is that there isn't. They are not, some hospitals, mostly private hospitals, are beginning to acknowledge the importance of clinical engineering and are introducing departments of biomedical engineering. But these have to be in every hospital. This team is crucial for a correct functioning of a hospital. Why? Because they are specialized in the task. For example, if a hospital hires an electrical engineer, he will surely know how to fix a machine, a medical equipment. Yes, but a biomedical engineer will know how to repair, but also with medicine knowledge will give a better diagnose to a malfunction in a equipment. Well, why clinical engineering? I like really much clinical engineering because it's something that is very important in hospitals, and people doesn't give the relevance that it has. And we, as future biomedical engineers, we must be prepared to improving the management of in hospitals. Clinical engineering is a very noble science. We can call it a science because it's administration, it's maintenance, it's even a clinical engineer can help a doctor to give a patient a better diagnosis. But this is very not well known, and we as future biomedical engineers, our task is to improve and to um, give the importance that we have in the hospitals. We are not technicians. We are not the maintenance guy that will change a light bulb. No, we are future biomedical engineers that we have knowledge of medicine, engineering, etc. And we can give a full and complete service to a medical equipment. So guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time, and thank you for your attention.